Most companies say they support internal mobility, but in reality, high-potential employees still leave. The biggest reason: there's no clear structure, no role maps, no skill tracking, no visibility. According to LinkedIn, employees are 3.5 times more likely to stay when they see a path forward. Imagine Sarah, a mid-level back-end developer. She wants to grow, but has no clue what it takes to move up. So she leaves, and the company loses momentum, knowledge, and culture. Now, imagine if Sarah had a growth plan in place, a visible framework, clear steps to reach the next level. That's why career development plans must be embedded into onboarding, individual meetings, and review cycles. When you give your team clarity, you don't have to push retention, it becomes natural. We've built templates that make this easy to set up across engineering roles. See the link in the description.